In this video, I'll show you the fuse boxes locations. There's two of them on your Fiat 500L. This is the larger Fiat 500. So the first one is in the cabin. On the driver's side, you're gonna notice there is a panel on the lower dash. Put your fingers right there and unclip this panel. Don't worry, you won't break anything. It's held by plastic clips. So once you've done this, as you see here, this was holding it in place. And if we look here, you're gonna see the first fuse box right there, deep inside the dash. Now there's another one, and the other fuse box is under the hood. To access it, obviously you'll have to open the hood. Let's put this aside. And over here, you're gonna notice this car does not have a battery, but the fuse box is on the right side of the battery. Right there. This is the fuse box. Take a flathead screwdriver and we'll need to unscrew two screws. One on the top here and the other one is on the bottom. They're plastic screws, so just be gentle to not strip them. This one I already removed it, unscrew it I mean. And this one, you see, just put your screwdriver there and counterclockwise a tiny bit to release the fuse box lid. Then you can lift the whole thing. And yeah, this is the lid. You see, these were the screws. Like that. And here is your fuse box that is under the hood with some relays. On the other side of the lid, you'll find a small fuse removal tool. You can pinch the fuses this way and it's easier for you to replace them. You see, simply need to pinch a fuse, just like a tweezer, let's say. Pull it out and take your new one, and same thing, just need to put it back. And on the lid itself, you got a small diagram telling you which fuse is which, the number of the fuse. Just look on your manual to see which one you need to remove.
Recording.